guys, welcome muli sa ating Traders Plus YouTube channel by Melvin Jason De Vera, yours truly. And this episode now will tackle about technical analysis focused on the use of moving averages. So paano nga ba gamitin ang moving average sa trading natin? Ito po, ituturo ko. Una, gamit natin ang illustration ng kandila using Excel. Okay, so let me just share that. Okay, so let us assume that these are candles. Okay. And these are the periods. Okay. So when you say moving average, we're going to get the average of the past prices. So let's say, kukuha ko ng 5 prices. Okay, so yan. 5 presyo. Okay? So all the closing prices of these 5 days, kukunin natin at i-average, and kung ano man ang average nila, okay, how do we average? Simple lang po, simple arithmetic mean, sum of all the closing prices for these days divided by the number of days, which is 5. Okay? And whatever is your average, yun po ang magiging forecast mo dito on the next period. Okay? Now, since nakuha na natin yung 5, okay, this is an average from this period. Now, magmo-move tayo to this period. Okay, and then isasama natin yun. Okay, so again, nag-move tayo to this candle here. Okay, and then sinama natin yun. And the average of these 5, so 5 pa rin yan, will be the next dot right there. Okay? And we continue to do so. I-average naman natin uli yung third candle dito. Yan. Hanggang dun. So hanggang dito naman, i-average. Siya naman yung susunod na dot dito. Okay. Hanggang sa bumuo yan ng linya. Okay? That's why it's called moving average. Now, how do we use the moving average? Una, moving average is a trend following indicator. Okay? Sa mangyari, nagre-react ang moving average base sa galaw o takbo ng mga nakaraang presyo. Kaya ito ay isang lagging indicator actually. Now, depende kung gaano karami yung period na ina-average para gumalaw ito ng mas mabilis o mas mabagal, no, yung reaction niya. Kaya may tinatawag tayo ng mga fast MA at mga slow MA. Okay. So yung fast MA has shorter periods. Okay? Whereas ang slow MA has longer periods. So yung mga MA 200, oh yeah, medyo slow yan. Yung mga MA 10 o MA 20, yun mga fast yun. Kasi maiksi yung kanilang periods. Okay. Ngayon, pag-aralan natin yung tinatawag na crossover. Price crossover. Okay? So, price, we are talking of the candles. Okay? So, we're talking of the candles. Let's say I'm going to draw my moving average here. Okay. So, in this scenario, makikita natin na nag-cross si candle dun sa moving average. But, we wait for the next candle at ito yung entry mo ng sell. Why will you sell? Because you believe that this will go down dahil price cross over your moving average downward. Okay, so the price move crossing over downward the moving average. Kaya bearish crossover yan. Okay, that's a bearish crossover. Now, conversely, okay, so halimbawa ay tanggalin ko muna to. Okay. And then I will put now a moving average. Okay. Yan naman ay bullish crossover. Okay? At ang idea, aakyat pa ito further, na kasi the candle crossed the moving average and the next candle here confirms it. So, bullish ang bias natin dyan. Okay. Now, let us try to put this into action by trading situation muna na merong moving average. I'm going to share, okay, a chart game screen. Now, let's say tanggalin natin yung isang moving average. We use only one. Okay. So, backtest tayo. Makikita nyo rito na kapag yung kandila tumawid nga doon sa moving average, dire-diretso siyang umakyat. Pag tumawid naman siya rito, dire-diretso siyang bumababa. Okay, now let's try if it will be a successful strategy. Pwede tayong mag-fail dito, ha? Okay, so now your candle is crossing the moving average paakyat. So prepare to buy. However, hindi ako agad nagbabay niyan kasi gusto ko yung next candle makita. So kung green yan, okay, now I will buy. And I expect my continuation, and yes, I'm making money out of it. Right? So let's see kung mag-hold. Okay, medyo namula. Baka mawala pa yung kita ko kung bababa. So ako, kukunin ko yan. Okay, then let's check. Tumawid. Tingnan natin. Okay, paakyat. No trade kasi walang confirmation candle. Okay, no confirmation. Okay, one more green, I will buy. Hindi. Although nasa taas, pero hindi green. Okay, maybe I can buy now. There you go. Sell. Okay. Next. Okay, buy. Next bar. Yun. Sell. Okay. So, enough of that muna. And this time, tuturo ko naman yung double moving average. Okay? So, yung double moving average, gagamit tayo ng dalawang moving average. Okay? So, use two moving averages na magkaiba ang period. Okay? So, let's say, ako ang recommendation ko, gumagamit ako ng MA20 and MA50. So, yung MA20 ko, ito yung aking faster. At yung MA50 ko, ito yung aking slower. Okay. Now, syempre kailangan magkaibang kulay. No? So, let's say yung aking red, okay? Para pareho natin sa blue na lang. Okay, let's say the blue is my MA20. Okay? So, plot. Okay. So, this is your MA20. Okay? Then, I will plot a green moving average. Okay? Yan. So, the green moving average is the MA50. And now, you can see here na nagkaroon tayo ng crossing over. Okay? And the price is above the moving average. So, this can indicate a stronger signal of moving up. Okay? Or continuation. Ito yung tinatawag na bullish double crossover. Okay? Bakit double? One, price crossover. Then two is MA crossover. Okay? So, ang arrangement o ang alignment nito dapat ganito. Price above the MAs then faster MA above slower MA. Okay? So yun po yung dapat na setup natin. Ngayon, kung babalik na rin naman natin, bearish double crossover, simple lang po. So halimbawa, lagyan natin to ng ng mga red candles para masample natin. Okay. Then ilalagay uli natin yung mga moving average natin. We start with the blue moving average, say this one. Okay, and then your green, which is your okay. So makikita nyo rito, nagkaroon nga ng crossover. Okay? Nasaan ang crossovers mo? So una, the price crossed the moving averages, and your blue moving average, which is your MA20, nag-cross kay 50. Okay? So ngayon, it is expected to go down. Now, let's try to test that here. Okay, so ngayon, I will put my second moving average 50. Okay, so kung titingnan nyo, kapag nag-cross din dito ang moving av, like the blue cross the green here, tumaas. The blue crossed downward, the price went down. Okay? Ngayon, nag-cross na rito, so holding lang siya. Continuation lang to. Okay? Now, the moving averages can also serve like a dynamic support and resistance. If you would notice, parang curve na support and resistance yan. Dito, nung paakyat, look at the moving average. Di ba? Now, hanap tayo ng strong downtrend and see where the moving average is. Ayun, no? Nasa ibabaw ng prices yung moving av. Okay. So right now, kako-cross lang dito, nag-hold. It can go down all the way here, but I would rather wait for it na mag-pull back. There you go. I'll wait for a rejection. It could be a good signal to buy. Okay. Now I can buy. Okay. Next. There you go. Profiting. Let's wait for another bar. Okay. Red. Red. But I think there's a rejection on the moving average. Kung makikita ninyo, parang nag-hold, no? Okay. I'm gonna do a 5 times buy. There you go. And then I will sell. But ako nag-engage ng more position. Kasi medyo na-confirm ko yung pag-bounce doon, no? Right? Okay. And then, panonorin mo. Hindi pa naman nagbabounce. So, do not engage. Okay. Tumawid. No trade. Lalo na yan. Tumawid. No trade. Pero ang tanong, will I sell? No, because your MA20 is not even facing down and not crossing over kay MA50. Okay? So I hope natutunan nyo rito yung application na yan. Okay? So para ganyan sana ang kalalabasan ng inyong trade. Okay? So I hope na-enjoy nyo po yung ating session ngayon. Kung may mga feedback kayo or request, please leave us a comment down below. Or if you like this video at nakita nyo educational nito, agree kayo, kindly give us a thumbs up naman. Okay? Thank you. Watch out for our next episodes. Happy trading, everyone.